Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your assets in Frontify, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Frontify dashboard and log into your account. Navigate to the Assets section from the main menu. Select the specific asset you wish to back up. Click on the asset to open its detailed view. Locate the download button, usually represented by a downward arrow. Choose the desired file format for your asset, if applicable. Click on the download button to save the file to your local device. Repeat this process for each asset you want to back up. For larger collections, consider using the batch download feature. Return to the Assets section and select multiple assets. Click the download button to initiate the batch download. Once downloaded, check your device's download folder to confirm the files. For complete backups, ensure all assets are accounted for. Periodically perform backups to keep your assets up to date. Consider using cloud storage for added safety and accessibility. Review your downloaded files to verify they are intact. Organize your backup files in clearly labeled folders for easy retrieval. Keep a log of your backup dates to track when each was completed. If necessary, repeat these steps for specific asset categories or types. Stay consistent with your backup routine to ensure data security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.